XXA, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, Hyundai i20. So my friend bought this car recently. It's a second-hand car. So we're going to check out whether it's a good option to buy it in today's time. Let's get to it. This is the 2015 Hyundai i20. As I mentioned, this is a second-hand car. Luckily for bro, he is the second owner. We both concluded that this car was lady owned, as the car is in good condition. When it comes to the exterior look of this car, it's very simple. This car just blends in. This is the type of car that is not too flashy or stands out. Even though it's a 10-year-old car, that's right, a 10-year-old car, it still does it for me. The way the body lines blend together with the headlights, bumpers and grille. The only thing I dislike is the wheel caps. As you know, wheel cap I personally am not a fan of wheel caps, even though you do get like a higher spec with alloy rims. You also get a sports version, which is the i20N. And another thing, this car looks so good once you start modifying it. Like once you back the car and the car is like on the floor and you have like proper rims, trust me, this car you can make it look good. When it comes to the interior, it's quite simple. Basically you get what you paid for. So you do have like Bluetooth radio when it comes to the audio of the car, which is quite cool because it's a 2015 car, so yeah, you don't have to use aux. And another thing, this is the thing I don't like. So you only have power windows in the front, like only you and the passenger in the front have power windows, while the others in the rear have to wind the windows with the window winder. But besides that, when it comes to the interior, you get what you paid for. Even the dash, I like the display dash, like yeah, the cluster, it's quite nice. Coming to the boot space, you have 326 liters of space, which is more than enough. You have enough boot space for sound and a young air setup, if you know what I mean, like as I mentioned, on the floor. Under the hood, you're greeted by a 1.2 liter 4-cylinder engine. This engine produces 61 kilowatts and 150 newton meters of torque. This is not the car you want to speed in. It's quite slow. This is more of a commuter, as it's very light on fuel. Just take a look at this. And 60. So guys, let's go test drive the Hyundai i20. First thing I noticed about this car, touch is very soft, like it's quite nice. Tonally polo nyana, but as a soft touch, it's tonally polo. Buttons feel nice quality, don't wanna lie. Dashboard, plastic. Anyway, driving. Oh, why do newer cars have like such a short shift, nyana? Nice, nah? Yeah. So anyway, Ramo to Banyana petrol. Yeah, Braga drives like a polo driver, seat is way at the back, drives like this, want to be seen. All in all, the car, suspension wise, flop on me, I drive a drop car, very hard on the road, so this one feels quite comfortable. It's also a bit stiff. Like I say, if it is a 220, eh? Man, if it is a 220. Why not?
You don't feel comfortable to do so.
Oh, when are you a Beamer boy? Guys, this is the best driver I know, like, out of all my friends. And I'm sure I'm about to be fine, but yeah. So, it's also quite quiet in the car. There's not like a lot of noise besides the tire noise. Engine is quite soft, as it's a 1.2. It's quite a very good fuel economical car. You know guys, we go to Centurion got sleep. The 50 rand, the Franya, isn't it? Very fuel economical car. Even suspension feels nice. Polo TDI. We need to review one day. Even the steering, I like a heavy steering, I'm not gonna lie, so it has quite a decent feel, because I don't like a steering wheel that's too soft. So this one is quite decent for me, because as you know, if you go through my channel, you'll see mostly I feature a lot of race cars and stuff, so that's what I like. So steering wise feel it's quite nice and heavy. Just that my friends is like a polo driver, so I'm also forced to lay down. Guys, this is not my driving style, don't mind quite a nice ride, man. And to answer your question, I feel like this is a good second-hand car to buy, especially this one. How many kilometers was it at when you bought it?
54.
54. One owner, lady driven. Why are you nodding your head? Well, that's how you know a car's in good condition. Once it's been lady driven, that's how you know.
Yeah, because you know it's not been abused engine wise. Yeah. Most women damage the car cosmetically, like maybe they hit the bumper and whatever. So a few scratches.
It's usually minors, never.
They had a few scratches and then they just topped it up. Then the car was fine. Yeah, the car was fine.
Besides that, quite a nice ride. Closing off this video, I highly recommend buying this car. I know it's a 10-year-old car, but this car is quite good. It's quite fair in price. Just make sure that the one you purchase is still in good condition, because this car is actually perfect for a young boy or girl. Please do make sure to like, share and subscribe. Danko.